Here I will show Python for very beginner how to create a file and run. Let's say I want to type hello world. At first I have to create a file. This is a Linux environment. How to create a file? Touch, let's say hello. Extension Python, py. Now C file is created, and now what I'm going to do? Hello, enter. Now type here print hello world. Okay, close the bracket. I have to print this. Control save, Control X. Now type Python hello. So here it did not run because it needs Python 3. So type here Python 3. So you see it is printed hello world. This is how Python 3. This is how run Python in a Linux shell. This is for beginner. How to create a file and run Python I will show also in PyCharm.